Buying a domain on Squarespace is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to secure your desired domain name. Log into Squarespace. Start by signing into your Squarespace account. If you don't have an account, create one. Access the domain section. In the left-hand menu, click on Settings and then select Domains. Search for your domain. Click the Get a Domain button. Enter your desired domain name in the search bar. Squarespace will suggest available options, including various extensions like .com, .net, or .org. Choose a domain. Once you find an available domain that suits your needs, click on it for more details. You can view the pricing, terms, and any additional options. Add to cart. After confirming your choice, click Add to cart. You can also choose to register for additional years if desired. Complete the purchase. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information and complete the purchase. You may need to provide contact details for domain registration. Configure domain settings. After purchase, you can configure settings like forwarding and SSL certificates to enhance your domain's functionality.